Hello and welcome back to the PhD track system. Today we will show you how to construct your Training and Supervision Plan or TSP using track. We will go through the steps one by one. First, log in to the track system. When you do this for the first time, you will see this license agreement pop up. Click on I accept this disclaimer and then click on Continue to go to your track account. If you then click on My Info on the top left of your screen, you will be directed to a page that contains your personal detail. You can fill in missing information and edit if necessary. Likewise, if you click on PhD program just below, you can adjust the information regarding your PhD project. Do not forget to press Save afterwards. If the change was saved successfully, you will see a green bar appear at the top of the screen. Next, click on Supervisors to see if they are correctly listed. If they are not, please contact your PhD coordinator. If everything is in order, you can click on the role of the supervisor to describe their task. For instance, you can fill in here coordinating the project. Again, please don't forget to press Save afterwards. Now that the basics are in order, we will go over the sections you need to complete to construct your TSP. Skills and competencies, professional courses, conferences and activities, and teaching. Do not forget to ask for the input of your supervisors. Under the Skill and Competences menu, you will be asked to answer questions relating to the knowledge and skills you have already and those that you need and would like to acquire during your PhD trajectory. Next, go to Professional Courses in the menu. By clicking on Add Course, you can fill in the details of a course you have taken or would like to take. Use the drop-down menu to find the right course and the system will automatically fill in the details. You can click on Planned if you know when you're going to do this course, and if you've already completed the course, press Complete It and you can fill in the date when you completed it. If you press Save, the course will automatically be added to your track account and saved. Use the menu Conferences and Activities and Teaching to fill in other activities that you plan to do during your PhD. Once all the information is entered into the track system, you can go to the menu Documents. Navigate to the top right where you will see a Word icon. If you click on it, you can select TSP and click Generate to make a Word document of your TSP. Check the document and send it to your supervisors. The final version needs to be signed by you as a PhD candidate, your daily supervisors, your promoter, the PhD coordinator, and the HR advisor. Once all have signed the final version, you can upload it to the Documents menu in Track. Please also send a copy to the Administrative Bureau of your school. They will file your document and switch off the reminders that Track automatically generates. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact your PhD coordinator. They will be happy to help you.